हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 एडवांस इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स which will be very helpful for you to enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is exhibition. It means pradarshani. The second word is homeless. It means beggar. The third word is impossible. It means asambhav. The fourth word is crush. It means kuchalna. The fifth word is whittle. It means fuslana. The sixth word is melt. It means pighalna. The seventh word is hooligans. It means badmash. The eighth word is shirkar. It means kamchor. The ninth word is evil eye. It means buri nazar. The 10th word is jinx. It means manhus. The 11th word is furious. It means agbabula. The 12th word is nimble. It means furtila. The 13th word is obsession. It means junoon. The 14th word is decision. It means faisla. The 15th word is capable. It means kabil. The 16th word is sufficient. It means paryapt. The 17th word is protest. It means virodh karna. The 18th word is buffoon. It means vidushak. The 19th word is imposter. It means dhongi. The 20th word is privilege. It means visheshadhikar. The 21st word is connizer. It means visheshagya. The 22nd word is monarch. It means samrat. The 23rd word is carried. It means shabd paheli. The 24th word is trustworthy. It means vishwasniya. The 25th and last word is transform. It means parivartan. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.